It's TGIF, guys. And today, we are at Seattle. Right, Mibes?
Yep.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
What do you mean, don't know?
To begin.
We are actually going to the Panda Food Festival here in Seattle. So, saan sila last be? Alam mo ba kung saan sila last?
New York ata.
So, para siyang food festival, Asian food festival basically, na umiikot sa mga lugar. So, last time, I think they were in New York, tas may Chicago din, and first time nila dito sa Seattle. Is that right, Mibes?
Yep.
How much is your ticket?
I think 35 for two. Ilan yun?
35? Wow.
Pero parang pwede kang bumili ng mas maaga early bird na parang $10.
Okay, so merong...
Pero ang pinakamahal dito yung parking, $30.
Oh, yeah. Kasi we park here at the Seattle Center. So, ayan, no, $30 siya.
Napakamahal. Mahal pa sa entrance.
Kung nakikita nyo, $30. Yan. Pero yun, we are walking to the venue at the Fisher Pavilion. So, hinahanap namin kung nasan yun. And we are gonna... Sa labas, no? Baka mas mura. Gonna see the Space Needle in a while. Grabe po ang init dito ngayon. Tirik na tirik ang araw. Galit na galit. Ha? Ha? Ano yan? Summer na po. Yan. We're kind of near the entrance, but we still need to go around. And this is the International Fountain. So this is the Climate Pledge Arena. And so I have to turn left over here. Actually, parang inikot natin siya, guys. You can see the entrance. Ito yun, sa kaliwa. Entrance.
If you have tickets, walk on up. If you do not, thank you. Wait till 7 o'clock.
What time do we go? 4. Perfect. Perfect. Here are your pins, and there's hats over here at that white pen. Oh,
Okay,
thank you.
thank you.
Tingin ng pin. Look at the pin. So we're gonna get a hat. Ang cute. We get some hats here. Huh? Ah, ito ba yun? There's lots of pandas. That's cute. Ito daw, sa white. Ayun na. Hi, we get the hats from here?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2. Thank you. Hahaha. Kailangan bombahin. There's like lots of different booths. Ano to? Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. Tapos meron pa doon. Barbecue. Ah. Sige. First stop. Parang siyang Japanese barbecue, I guess.
Ang init.
First pila. Nainita ka na ba? Ha? First food. Ano yan? Parang ano naman choice eh. Charcoal burning crispy tender barbecue. First order of business. Tayo po.
Wait.
Ayun no, po tayo doon.
Wait.
Pero maaraw.
Picturean ko muna.
Tsaka muna. First bite. Wait lang. Ang haba oh.
Barbie, ang init.
Look at that. Kano to?
15 each.
Apa?
Beef to be.
Beef siya. How's it? We're going further down to the food stalls downstairs.
That's how we know they
And we're here. Iba ulit. There's a Panda Fest. Look at that. Ano to?
Saucy bao.
Saucy bao.
Pork bao.
So we're gonna fall in line in the saucy bao.
guys, how can I help you?
I wanted 3.
One pork,
chicken, and 1 beef.
one pork, one chicken, and one beef. Thank you so much. That's your chicken. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So we bought 1 pork, 1 beef, and 1 chicken bao. Oh! Sana masarap. Para siyang fried.
4 chicken.
Ah, pwede may sauce.
Any sauce?
Yeah, can you add more chili?
Just chili?
No, I want everything. Just add more chili.
Yum. Yum. Nice.
Pwede na to.
Kumusta ang combination?
Parang matamis.
Manamaze. Eh kasi iba-iba yung ano. Baka may papel pen sa ilalim. Wala na ba?
Parang siyang siopaw.
Siopaw na may sauce. Actually, what's nice so far, the lines are kind of quick, no? Ewan ko, baka kasi first day, tapos wala pa masyadong tao. Pero okay naman. Baka bukas mas marami, no? So, this is inside the hall. Nakikita nyo naman, maraming mga booth. They sell different stuff. Crystals. Ano ito isa? Ring. Parang yung mga small businesses. Yeah. Love hats. So, and they also have chairs and tables where you can sit and eat your food. Back to the outside world. So, tanghulu. How much?
I don't know.
Parang gusto ko ng tanghulu. Hello. There's a strawberry. Ilan?
Ano gusto mo?
Strawberry.
Yan?
Dami oh. Ano na lang, strawberry. Ikaw lang bumili.
Pure strawberry?
Tanghulu. Bite it.
Ano tayo picture tayo?
Bite it. Ano? Sarap.
Harap!
Iba talaga yung tanghulo ng...
Legit?
Legit tanghulo. Kaso magkano siya, B? It's $15. No?
Mahal nga eh.
Medyo mahal siya. But, it's worth it. Oh, nahulog na.
Kaya ko to sanang gawin eh. Kaya lang mahirap.
Ang sarap niya. I think yung sugar, yung nagpapasarap talaga. So these are like buns and small donuts.
Para kapagal natin. Ano to?
B, si Panda. Nandun, naglalakad. Hey, Panda. Okay. So, here are the other food stalls. Taiwanese popcorn chicken. Bao box.
Video sana. Yung pinya colada. Ayan.
Yan, lumpiaan. Gusto kong piña colada. Nalito-lito na po siya. Order there. How much? $15. Parang lahat $15, no? And bao is there.
Pwede bang mekos? Anong gusto?
What's your number? Ah, so you can buy din pala sa bao box. Takoyaki.
151.
Since we're still 187, we're probably gonna visit other booths. Like, yung iba, ang dami pa. Another Tanghulu shop. Kaya nga eh. Ayun o, marami pa dun o.
Ayun,
Yopo chicken. Ano yun? Hi, Panda. Dito si Panda. Hey, Yakult. What's a Hey, Yakult? Ang dami pa dun o. Yummy. Look at this line for the grilled squid. Over there sa dulo. Hanggang dun. Let's see later. Ano na tayo na sarili nating grilled squid, no?
Oo, meron yun sa ano.
Kasi
Seafood.
it's like $30. Like, ang mahal niya. Kasi nga ba palang pila? Sorry. You know? Ay, wala.
87 pa tayo.
Ang tanong ay kung maaakit ba tayo sa Filipino lumpia area. Let's see. Later. After the takoyaki.
May lumpia sa rep.
May lumpia sa rin. O sige, yun na lang ang lumpiain natin.
Wala pang bayad.
Yan, 187.
187,
Yes.
right?
Yep. Finally, after 30 minutes.
Too much.
Sige na. Parang di tayo pupunta ng Japan talaga. Yan talaga ang binili din niya.
Pero tingnan natin.
Tingnan natin. Prinito lang yan, Mibes. Ano? Sarap? Sarap.
Pwede na to. 6 out of 10.
Sa 30 minutes at sa $15. Actually, $16 na with tax. Pwede na. May octopus naman. No? That's nice. Well, we're gonna eat the real thing in Japan soon. Osaka. Eat 1,000 ha. Eat 1,000 balls. Actually, ang goal lang natin is kumain-kain, mag-snacks. So, hindi tayo nabubusog, guys. Try natin yung iba. Ano pa kaya? Parang gusto ko nung
Lumpia.
hindi, gusto ko yan, no? Nasa stick. Soul stick. Korean cheese dog. Pero parang nakakain na tayo niyan. Ano kaya? Sabi no, B, ito daw ang first Panda Food Fest in the whole of the West Coast. West Coast represent!
Kiss my hat.
Ano yun? Kiss my ass.
Kiss my hat.
Oh, ano?
I know it's wrong, but it's...
That's so cute. That's funny. Bong ubang? Bong ubang? So we're gonna buy the pancake. Custard Nutella.
End of the line.
yeah. Sorry, what's the lumpia?
For custard? What number are you? Oh, you didn't get it? Okay.
Yummy. So we ordered Nutella and custard. Sarap.
Any other, what's a good dumpling place here? Have anyone tried a dumpling place?
We're going down. See a better view of the whole area.
We also have a photo booth just on the other side of the yellow tent right there.
Ta-da!
We also have a bouncy house
It's a big
for all
area
the kids
here in
right
Seattle
there with the big
Center.
panda in there. King.
Influencer. At the Seattle Space Needle.
They have the taco.
Actually, wala pa nakakagat na.
Custard.
Ano na? Custard, goodness. Just with the fish. Tikman mo.
Ba't yung panda hindi nag-flips? Ah.
Ayun yung coconut.
Ano yung Mila? Binili natin yan sa ano?
Mila.
Ano yung Mila?
What's that?
Binili natin sa Costco. Yung dumplings.
Ah.
Hindi ko yung matatandaan, pero dumplings yan. Oo, yan o, tingnan ko.
Oo.
Ano yan sa Costco?
Ah, okay. Mukhang legit ang Mila. Ito, shaved ice. Lao food. Laotian. Sarap. Look at that. It actually smells nice. Let's try this. Silky paste.
Tara, bila ka.
Okay, pila tayo. Hi, can I get a purple? Yeah.
Would you like that a pound on top?
Yes, please.
One vegan? Thank you.
Do you have
Cash gonna be
oh, cash.
13.
13. Okay. Purple. Yum. So yummy. Oh, thank you. So actually, if you don't have advance tickets, you can line up here, but it starts at 7. Then you can see the line from the outside. Go for it, Maybe. Try. Hey, huhusgahan na po niya, guys.
Ay, ano siya? Kamote.
Actually, wala siyang lasa. Kailangan mo sigurong kainin with the ice cream. All in one.
With granola.
Right. Granola. You gotta eat it in one bite. All of it. Ano siya?
Yung ice cream niya, sobrang soft. Parang hindi na siya.
Hindi siya na matigas. Out of 10.
7.
Perfect. Siya talaga. Like super kamote. Parang yung mga rider. Yung mga kamote rider sa Pinas. Diba? Kamote.
Ano masasabi mo?
For me, parang mga nasa gusto ko yung kick ng kamote. So mga 8.
Guys, feeling nyo, maganda itong pwesto namin ngayon ha. Pero nasa tabi kami.
Kasi mas private dito eh, no?
Kaya nga eh, ang daming mga first.
Wala masyadong tao.
Tapos nakita nyo yan, nakapila pa sila guys. Kasi gusto nilang pumasok. Sila yung mga nag-advance booking ng ticket.
Kakainin ko na yung panda. Bye, panda.
$1 yung panda guys.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow, di ba?
Actually, wala lang siya.
Kasi parang yung ano niya, ice cream niya, parang hindi galing sa machine. Parang in-scoop lang siya. Sobrang soft.
8/10.
Parang ano no?
Cherry na.
Food critic.
At least, hindi tayo mababash. So, we're gonna try bobo chicken.
Gusto mo ng bobo chicken?
Tsaka bing fen. Ano yung bing fen?
Bobo chicken tsaka picture.
Ah. Okay, we're gonna try that.
Oh yeah, of course. 14.33.
Yummy. First try of the beef jerky. Tigas. Ano may mga pagluluwa? Manghang.
May sobrang tigas, hindi kaya lang fit lang po.
Sobrang tigas. So jerky nga talaga ito. Pero masarap yung flavors.
Manigas, eh.
Super tigas.
Dahil napakatigas guys.
Ano pa? Ano pa? So, advice mo, pag hindi kaya ng ngipin nyo guys, huwag nyo bibilin tong beef jerky. Actually,
Parang plywood.
masarap siya pero matigas lang. Super tigas. Huh? After 2,000 years, kinakain pa rin natin siya guys. Grabe yung anghang. Sakto lang na ma'am. Dami ng tao guys. Ang dami ng tao. Parang medyo crowded na siya. Siguro maghanap na tayo ng final na food na bibilhan natin. Beef fried rice. Woo! Guys, kami ay pauwi na from the Panda Fest. How was it, Marby? Tama na tayo doon.
Okay naman. Pwede na to. Just kidding.
What is your favorite food? Actually, nakalimutan mo na, no?
Tanghulu.
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 Dito tayo sa may Climate Pledge.
Tsaka masaya
Climate
siya kasi
Pledge
party-party
Arena.
pa.
So, for me, ang okay sa akin ay yung una natin kinain actually,
What's that?
yung barbecue na mahaba. Yung pagpasok natin.
Oh, yeah.
That was nice. Yung sa,
Pinaka-ayaw ko is yung jerky.
oo nga, kasi
Too matigas.
it's like eating wood.
Plywood.
Plywood. Ano
Kasi
pa ba
akala
yung...
ko mga jerky, alam mo yung mga jerky sticks, di ba?
Medyo chewy dapat eh, no? Yun talaga para siyang, ewan ko, papel na ewan.
Parang kahoy.
Siguro,
Maybe hindi lang kami sanay.
ang gusto ko rin yung bao na may sauce.
Oh, yeah.
Masarap din yun.
Masarap siya.
Yeah. And then, ano pa ba yung trinay natin? Yung takoyaki, kasi para siyang deep fried. Hindi siya yung traditional.
Hindi siya iniikot-ikot kasi
Correct.
ang daming...
It's not the traditional. It's not the traditional takoyaki.
Pero I
It's like
like it.
ready-made fried. Pero okay naman siya. It's okay. So, pag wala kang ticket na online mo binili, you can line up, but it's at 7 p.m.
Yeah.
Pero I'm not sure kung magkano
Pero mabilis
yun.
siyang mapuno, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, they're
Kasi
sold out
maliit
for
lang yung
tonight.
venue.
That's right.
And actually, medyo expensive yung mga food. Pero pwede na yun.
Yeah, like $15 talaga yung minimum.
Yeah,
ng mga,
minimum is $15.
pero may mga $8 na yung ganyan.
Parang
Pero,
may super small na pancake for $15. But
yung souffle.
I don't know.
But yeah, I mean, one for the experience. I guess hindi na tayo uulit sa ganito, di ba? Kasi
Hindi.
parang first time lang naman niya dito sa Seattle. I'm not sure if it's the last. But they usually are at New York, and then Chicago yata. Ewan ko sa California. Ba't kaya hindi sila pumunta sa California, no? Pero first daw to sa West Coast, guys. So if you have time next year, go and visit the Panda Fest. And this is our view actually. In front of us is the Climate Pledge Arena. So with this, we say goodbye and see you in the next vlog. Bye!